Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, my name is Katie, and today I'm sharing with you my once a month-ish snack grocery haul. I went to Grocery Outlet today. Yes, that's a frozen pizza. Yes, it's for my sanity, and we all need a little bit of that too. So thank you for joining me today. All right, we got to fuel up this family, and I have to get fueled up myself before I head to the grocery store. So we're going to start this morning out with some sourdough English muffins.
Let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back. Take my time, just enjoy the ride. I know man passing by. Life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out to the sky. I found my way. I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Alright, this morning we are making some sourdough English muffins. Aren't those beautiful? We've got our sourdough right here going. So you make the dough the night before, and then the next day you add your honey, salt, and baking soda. I'll leave this link down below in the video's description for you because I do have this recipe on my YouTube. So then they just cook. Usually I do them on like a long griddle, but I just don't feel like getting that out and dusting it off and all that. So we're just using the skillet today, which works just fine.
In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way. Cause I found my way.
Alright, let's start right here. I grabbed this little poinsettia and it was $8, I do believe, if I remember correctly. Well, anyways, I'm going to put my total for this whole grocery haul up at the very end of this video, so stay tuned for that if you are interested. There's my little pretty poinsettia. I'm going to go set her up on the table somewhere. All right, let's get back to it. Let's start over here with the junk food. This is from my Azure Standard haul, and then this is snacks and things to fill in the gaps. We've got milk in the freezer, we've got some meat and vegetables and fruits in the freezers as well as on our shelves right now, so those things weren't a main priority for this quick little Christmas grocery haul. This is just things to get us through the next few weeks for snacks, quick grab items, easy items, things like that. We needed some more coffee. I might have to go back and get some more of this if we like it before they sell out. This was 2 pounds. And this 2 pounds of coffee was, I think, $8.99. So French roast, my husband's favorite, but we'll see. And then let's get started over here. They had these butternut squash stalks. Now y'all know, I know, this is not the healthiest thing for us, but that's okay. This is to keep the kids quiet while I'm trying to make a meal. Then we grabbed some family-sized pretzel sticks. Those are always a winner on our charcuterie boards. That's a fun word to say. This is for our Christmas holiday punch. We're going to make some fruit punch for the kids, and they will sip on that all day long, and one of the ingredients is a bottle of this ginger ale. So we're going to put that in there. I grabbed the kids that can have peanut butter, some peanut butter granola bars, and then for the ones that can't have peanut butter, we've got some Nature's Fig Bars. These are the blueberry flavored ones. So we've got some of those for these hungry kiddos. Right here we've got pancake waffle mix. I thought these would be great for Aaron on mornings when he makes breakfast. He loves to make breakfast, and sometimes he likes to throw a variety of things in there. So we've got some bacon back here for him to cook up, and then these pancake paleo waffle mixes that he can mix up for the kids. mix in, what is it, milk or water. We would probably add milk to those and then throw them either in the waffle maker or throw them in the cast iron skillet on the stove. That's going to be nice and easy. What I should do is make up some of these mixes in mason jars. So there's an idea for us. But in the meantime, quick and easy. That's how we like it. Right here, got some keto creamer sweetened with coconut sugar, and it's coconut everything. So it didn't have anything in it that I cannot have with my special diet. So I grabbed that for myself and Aaron if he wants to give it a try. But it's just a nice little thing to add into coffee. Like I said, I'm trying to get away from almond milk and almond stuff. And coconut is way better for people like me. So we've got these original multi-grain crackers. These are also going to go on our charcuterie boards. I think I have a pack of these, maybe I don't. So I only grabbed 2. I'm thinking now I should have grabbed 4. That way we could do 1 board a week with all of our snacks and things on it, and crackers with cheese, because I got some really good cheese to go with those. Okay, back here, these are going to go in my emergency prepper pantry storage. This Italian meatball soup is really, really good. But like I said, this is going to be one of those things that is going to be put on the shelf, and we'll rotate through it eventually. But it's like a more long-term food store, food emergency thing. And those were 99-cent cans, which I think is a really good deal. You don't see me buy a lot of this kind of stuff, but for an emergency situation, the power goes out, we need to crack a can open and eat something. This is very good for that situation. Back here are some basic care non-latex gloves. I use those for my work. I am a birth doula and a postpartum doula, so I go through boxes of those on occasion, and I have to restock. Down here we've got freezer bags, self-explanatory. The kids needed some easy squeeze honey. We buy our honey in these large 12-pound vats of honey, and this is all crystallized, and everybody's sticking their arm in there to get honey out. My husband and I, we prefer us to do that. And then the kids, they can have some honey out of these easy squeeze bottles for their oatmeal, for their tea, whatever they want to put honey in. Boom, we got them some little honey bears, and aren't they cute? They're so cute. Here is antioxidant force fruit juice. So we're going to use this in our holiday punch. What I do is a can of fruit cocktail, some kind of juice. We're going to use that this year, and then we're going to bombard it with some sugar and all the bad stuff that's in this, because I failed to buy the real ginger ale at the grocery store when I was there, so I had to pick this up from the gas station on my way home because I was getting gas, and I said, oh, I need ginger ale. So that's where we're cutting corners this time. And then you guys already heard me talk about this coffee. I hope it's delicious, and it came in cardboard, so recycling and all that good stuff. Down here, Aaron was just telling the kids the other day how he loves beets, so I picked him up. I thought those would be tasty for him. He could relive his Iraq days, because he apparently lived off of beets when he was in Iraq. Back here we've got the Grazers. This is Sierra Nevada grass-fed certified. These were a very good price, so I grabbed 4 of the vanilla ones for the kids, and then I got them a plain one because we like to mix this with ranch dressing and make our own homemade ranch dip and ranch dressing, so we like to keep a bottle of plain around for that. And then if we run out of these, we just add honey to that and fruit, and it's delicious. We're going to try out this New Zealand organic butter. I'm always topping up on butter. Aaron ran by the store the other day and brought home some butter also. And then I grabbed this. So we'll give this a try. I think this was $3.99 per 8 ounce of organic grass-fed butter. We do a lot of smoothies. So we've got blueberries and cherries, because that's my favorite kind of smoothie, with bananas, all the goodness. Sardines and olive oil. This is a great snack that we do on crackers, or we do on sourdough toast. Very good, very nutritious for the kids. You get all of your good fat in there, your omegas, your fatty acids for brain development. Good snack for kids. If you haven't tried sardines, they are delicious. I love them too. I grabbed Aaron some Perrier watermelon sparkling water for Christmas. They only had 2 of those at the store, so I went ahead and grabbed them at grocery outlet. Down here we've got the no sugar uncured bacon. 1, 2, 3, 4 packs of that. I think they were on sale for $3.99. I probably should have grabbed all the ones that they had, but I didn't. So we just got those. And then party wings, because why not? Those are delicious. We grabbed 2 packs of party wings. No, they're not organic. That's okay. We're going to have some wings one night, and we're going to have a good time with our pizza. I'm not going to eat that, but the kids are going to have pizza one night. And then we also do some golden tater tots in the air fryer, quick and easy to tie people over, or for a quick, easy lunch. We do have a huge bag of potatoes that we will go through, but everybody likes a little tater tot and a little french fry every now and then. I'm not going to make them from scratch right now. Just not happening. We also got some light Italian dry salami. This just has less fat in it than the other one. It was more cost efficient or more economic to buy this than the other one. We got more bang for our buck, so that's why I went with that. You know, maybe we should have the one with more fat for our brains, but we got light. Then down here, we're gonna try this sheep and goat milk feta and this delicious Vermont goat cheese. Oh, this is gonna be so good. This is honey, clover blossom honey mixed in with that. That's gonna be really good on some sourdough toast. I do occasionally eat sourdough in my homemade bread. So I got that to try out for myself. Y'all, I am just craving some extra fat, some extra dairy, but not cow dairy. So I am cow dairy free, so I also got some plain goat cheese, and this is really good because we can put this with, I have elderberry jelly that I made, so we can dump elderberry jelly on the goat cheese and then eat it with little crackers. Oh my goodness, so good, so delicious. So that is what we got as far as that stuff goes. This was $3.99 for a 3-pack of cleaner. Yeah, usually I just use vinegar, but this has been nice when I'm really sick. I can just grab a bottle of this and spray the whole house down and wipe everything down, and boom, disinfectant. And it's not too terrible for us, but you know, greenwashing, yep, I bought into it. These are the gingerbread houses that I got for my kids, 1 boys, 1 girls. So they're gonna work together because they're younger, and they're gonna work together to build these 2 gingerbread houses. I thought that would be fun this year to do that. All of our groceries. I'm gonna write the total up here because yes, I have to go dig in my jacket and find the receipt. So there you go.
To gingerbread row contest, girls versus boys, and there's no other divisions, if you know what I'm saying. So let's go girls first. So can you explain your project?
Yes, we have a gingerbread house with a crazy roof, reindeer droppings on the roof, and Easter bunny droppings.
Okay. So what era were you going for?
So there are droppings on the roof.
Because this is a category. There's categories.
I think she's going for the animal droppings era.
What era were you going for?
Animal.
Okay, animal era. That doesn't make any sense, but we'll go with it. All right.
You might want to spin it around so the judge can see the rear of
I've seen enough. All right.
Oh yeah.
So now, there's another. Okay, so let me take in my calculations. Wait,
No, Tristan, it's okay.
hold on. And I got one more question.
Yes.
Yeah, don't cry.
All right. What is on the back of
You
that?
don't need to cry again.
This is a snowman. His
Just
name,
here, the more you mess with it, the more it's gonna fall apart.
his name is Bob.
Okay. Bob, what's his last name?
Sinjo.
Don't say it. If you say it, this is gonna be huge.
It's Sinjo bad.
Bob what? Okay, good. All right. All right.
Bob Ross.
Okay. So boys, explain it to me.
Me.
Are they done?
All
Younger.
right, Torsten, your turn.
So we did a house with a star roof and a bunch of ice, and we did the windows, sprinkles.
Okay, what is it made of? Is it made of brick? Is it made of stone?
It's made of glass and Legos, and this is made out of frosting grass.
Okay, what arrow were you going for?
Lego glass. I mean glass. And we did.
What's the arrow?
What's the arrow?
You tell me. This is a category. It's very important.
It's like we also did.
No, Torsten. Like, what are you going for? Like,
It's
glass?
So we got glass and grass?
No, glass.
Okay.
Glass.
Class.
It's made
And
of
then,
Pure
and then we have another part when
Careful,
the
no
whole
one
entire
touching
thing
it.
fell apart, and I said, well, let's eat. And there's a big bite mark out of it now.
I think gingerbread mice can get into that
Okay,
one.
alright, last question. Did you enjoy the project?
Yes, but I don't want to eat it.
Okay,
I wanna-
so
I don't want to eat it.
here's the calculations.
We're not
Here's
eating.
the final scores.
I know.
Girls, for Era, you get 4. For looks, 4. For explanation, 2. Okay, so that's a total score of.
That's a 6.
Okay, that's a 10. All right. So boys, for Era, you get a 3. Okay. For looks, you get a 5.
Wow.
Okay, and for explanation, you get a 2. So what is that? So we have a 3, a 5, and a 2.
10.
Okay, so girls have a 10, boys have a 10. So who won?
Us. All. It's a tie.
Okay, but so now, who do you think is better? Who do you think? Okay, Annika, who do you think?
said
Kind of
it was a
messy.
tie.
That you guys are the tiebreaker. So Hagen, whose do you think is better? Okay, 1 for the boys. Whose do you think is better? Girls. Okay, 1 for the girls. All right, who do you think is better?
Ours.
Okay,
Boys win.
boys win.
Yeah.
because you were nice and said that theirs was better, even though you knew yours was better.
Hey guys.
That was a trap. That was a trap.
Tristan, please.
Do we have any more frosting?
Hey, nobody asked me who I thought won.
Mom, please.
Yeah, Mom's
Because
actually
of
the.
course, the one I worked on is the one that
So
won.
now we're at a
wins.
tie again.
Okay. Hey, let's see.
What are those? These. Ew. What is that? Oh, that's Annika. Okay. Mom, I found yours. Look.
Yeah, I see that.
Look. It's a female cardinal.
Bodie?
Yes, those will keep your feet warm.
Oh, she has some polar bears as me.
Thank you so much for watching this grocery haul with me. Be sure to check out my grocery hauls playlist. A lot of times I include fun little recipes like my last Azure Standard haul. With that one I included a homemade hot cocoa mix, so you definitely want to go check those out. And thank you guys so much for watching. I had a good time hanging out with you. I hope you had a good time hanging out with me. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave a comment down below. Do you have a grocery outlet? Where's your favorite discount grocery store to shop at? Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye!